The SOLPERK 50W solar kit is designed to efficiently convert sunlight into electricity, making it an excellent choice for maintaining and charging 12-volt rechargeable batteries. Equipped with a waterproof charge controller, this solar panel kit ensures the safety of your battery by preventing overcharging and providing intelligent maintenance. Constructed with a durable, low-iron tempered glass surface and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, the panel is built to withstand harsh weather conditions and promises a long lifespan. The kit includes an adjustable mounting bracket that allows you to set the panel at various angles, ensuring optimal sunlight exposure and easy installation. In addition to the solar panel and charge controller, the package comes with all necessary accessories, offering comprehensive support and ease of use. SOLPERK offers lifetime technical support and responsive after-sales service, ensuring any questions or issues are promptly addressed.